morning everyone, namaskaram. Woke up at 4:30 a.m. Have to go to my Kalari workshop. Yeah, we'll do my sadhana in a while. I'll just do my Buddha Shuddhi now, and yeah, we'll go. Okay, takes around 1 hour to reach Dawn's place. Okay guys, some new students have come to join at Dawn's place, and Dawn is giving a tour of his Kalari. Okay, Dawn with his Dawn with his yogic Kalari body. So Dawn, why have you incorporated yoga with Kalari? When you learned Kalari, was there yoga in that?
No. When I learned Kalari, there was some stretchings happening, but it was not proper yoga. So I wanted to, I was feeling the spiritual side of Kalaripaitu. I wanted to know more. So I started to do my own research, and as part of my research, I went to study yoga at Shivananda Center. Then I understood the essence of yoga. Then when I understood the essence of yoga, that I collaborated with Kalari. Then I was able to go deep into Kalari, but I was able to learn more, like small things, the detailings, like Sushma Tala will do. Like Sushma Tala means the very minutest of the detailing. So that I got from yoga.
So when someone comes over here, will they also be able to learn aspects of yoga?
Yes, of course. Actually, the main aspects of yoga is the Raja Yoga. In the Raja Yoga, Patanjali's Raja Yoga Sutra, there is the Yama Niyamas, and that is like the base for yoga. The same is the base for Kalari also. So I insist, and I want who are coming here to follow that, and then only they can actually learn Kalaripaitu more easily.
Thank you. From shirtless Dawn to beach wear and simple dress. ഇടുന്നാണെങ്കിലെ ഗേൾസിന് ഇഷ്ടമല്ലേ, don't they like? Okay, so I came back from Dawn's place. Now it's 4:15 p.m. and I came back by 12. Ate some food, edited some videos. It's on Rudraksh. I'll be publishing in a while. And now today I'll just do my Shakti Chalana and Shambhavi practice.